Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have it's gonna be a mask and tail set. It's really probably for girls more so than guys, but I'm gonna show you guys all the pieces and parts, definitely more for girls. But the girl, nobody wants to try it on but me for the video. So here we go. So we're gonna give this thing a shot, and I'll show you all the pieces and parts. These are gonna be the gloves here. This is obviously the tail, but let's open this up. Oh, I just have my teeth worked on, so everything hurts my teeth. Okay, so this is, ooh, that's a bushy tail. Okay, and it's got a good clip on it to clip on the tail. And then we have the mask here. So there's the cat mask. And here is a little bell. I'm gonna guess that's maybe a collar or a belt. Oh, a collar, because cats wear collars. So if you were a cat, you could wear this collar here. Even fits my big old neck, sorta. So you can have that, so you have that. Ha 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 ha, this is it. And there's my cat there. And I can put the tail, just clip it onto my butt here, onto my, you can see you got this. So if you were wearing a belt or something, you can clip it onto that. I'll just clip it on the back of my pants. And there we go. Up a little bit. There's that. And look at this. Now I have the gloves. Oh, look at that. Oh, I guess 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess it goes on this hand. There must be a hole for, there we go. There's the hand, a hole for the thumb. Okay. And there we go. So there, now I am a cat. Check that out. Oh, look at that. That's pretty sweet. And I got my little bell and I got my tail. How cool is that? Very cool. Cool little outfit. I guess a guy could wear this too. But it'd be good for like a little girl for a party or something like that, or somebody who wants to dress kind of sexy and slim or something like that. They could get away with this as well. So cool little costume. I like it. Thumbs up.